Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stop your kid from buying things on Amazon. This is essential if you want to prevent unauthorized purchases and keep your payment methods secure from curious young shoppers. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. After you've signed in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Next, click on your payments. This section houses all your payment methods and settings. Here's where you'll want to remove any saved payment methods from the child's device. By eliminating these stored cards or bank accounts, you're taking away the option for them to make purchases without your knowledge. Once you've removed the payment methods, make sure to sign out on the child's device completely. This prevents them from accessing your account and adding new payment methods or making purchases. Now, let's add an extra layer of protection through Prime Video settings. In the top toolbar, click on Prime Video, or you can open Prime Video directly in your web browser if you prefer. Once you're in Prime Video, hover your mouse over your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then select Account and Settings from the menu that appears. In the top toolbar, click Permissions. This is where you can control who has access to certain features and purchases. Navigate to Prime Video account PIN, and right beside it, you'll see a Change button. Click that Change button to update your security settings. You'll be prompted to type your 5-digit PIN in the PIN field. This PIN acts as a barrier against unauthorized purchases and content access. After entering your PIN, click Save to finish changing it. Make sure you remember this PIN and keep it private from your child. Now navigate to Purchase Restrictions, then click the circle beside On. This final step ensures that any purchase made through Prime Video will require your PIN, effectively blocking your child from buying or renting content without your permission. And there you have it. You've successfully set up multiple safeguards to prevent your kid from making purchases on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.